Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Bhatoore, in authentic traditional way. Who doesn't love to eat Punjab's most popular traditional treat, that is chole Bhatoore? These days, there are many ways and recipes to make Bhatoore at home, but we are showing and explaining the authentic traditional recipe to prepare its dough and fry Bhatoore, that too without using yeast. It's a very simple and easy process, and if you watch the video carefully, then you are surely going to make well-puffed, soft and yummy Bhatoore at home. We have already shown how to cook super delicious chole at home in our one of the earlier videos. We shall give the link in description box below. You may click on the link below, or on the iCard icon on top of the video to watch that. We shall also be uploading another recipe to cook proper Pindi chole which go absolutely perfect with these Bhatoore. Till then, enjoy previous version of Chikkad chole with these Bhatoore and relish the taste with your friends and family members. Everyone will find these Bhatoores better than the ones that are sold at renowned restaurants and food joints. We are using 1 cup maida, that is refined flour, to make Bhatoore. It will be sufficient to prepare 6 Bhatoore. Add 1½ tablespoon of suji, that is semolina. It will make Bhatura's better texture and prevent from going rubbery. First mix both ingredients well with your fingers. Then create a pit at the center of flour mixture. Pour 2½ tablespoon of dahi, that is curd or plain yogurt. Curd should be at room temperature. Also add a small pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Dissolve dry ingredients well into curd. Start mixing curd solution and flour together with fingers, and then start kneading the dough. Knead well until soft dough is attained. It will be sticky, but don't worry, knead until curd solution is well mixed with flour mixture. Now start adding warm water slowly while mixing continuously. Add very little water at a time, then mix, and add more if required. Add water until dough is soft. Add more flour or water, whatever is needed, but dough should be soft and not the tight one. It might seem too sticky in the beginning but will be manageable after kneading for some time. Apply little cooking oil all around the dough ball and transfer it into a bowl. Cover the bowl with a plate or lid and set aside for at least a couple of hours or more. Dough has rested for over 2 hours. Gluten is well formed and a nutty texture is also visible now. You may also see it clearly. Knead the dough again lightly for a minute or so. Put a wok over medium-high heat with sufficient amount of cooking oil or ghee in it for frying Bhatoore. Grease your fingers and palm well with little cooking oil so that dough doesn't stick to your hands during handling. Take some dough onto your greased hands and shape into a dough ball. Dredge dough ball into dry flour and place over your rolling board. Start rolling the dough using your rolling pin. Roll it into your choicest shape. You may roll Bhature into round or oval shape as per your liking. We are rolling it into oval shape as is usually prepared by professionals at restaurants or fast food centers. Put a very small piece of dough into heated oil and check whether it has heated well. Frying is required to be done at good hot oil, that is why we have put the wok over medium-high heat. The dough piece has instantly come onto top surface. That means that it is perfect for frying now. Gently place rolled Bhature into hot oil and wok. Gently press with perforated spatula and dip Bhature well into oil to coat from all sides with hot oil. Immediately after few seconds flip the Bhature onto other side. Keep on pressing gently here and there. This is the foolproof way to puff Bhature. You may see how beautifully the bhatura has puffed up. Continue to turning sides after every few seconds until desired degree of color is obtained. Bhatura is well browned and crispy on both sides by now. Drain well puffed and browned bhatura using perforated spatula onto paper towel or tissue-lined plate. Roll and fry more bhaturas in hot oil. Frying at the time of serving is needed for best taste. Bhaturas may lose their crispiness on keeping for long, though they taste perfect later as well. We have prepared 3 bhaturas at this time. Keep the dough covered in refrigerator until required to make bhatura again. Well puffed, soft and super yummy Bhatoorey are ready. You may see clearly the softness and nutty texture from inside of bhatura. Serve super delicious Bhatoorey accompanied with Chikkad or Punjabi Chhole and enjoy. We hope that you have liked the video. Please click on the like button below and write your views on it in comments column for sure. If watching video for the first time on our channel, then click on our photo on screen or red subscribe button below to subscribe. Also click on the bell button besides it to activate automatic notifications of our all new videos. Stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching.